Oh, I love this so and sweet pie choy. Okay, a little bit spicy. Lovely. Oh, enjoy that. Oh my goodness.